Thank you ever so much for watching this video. I've got a really good one for you here. In a nutshell, I'm going to show you how you can build a $7,000 Amazon affiliate site, and I'm going to show you a really quick way that you can do it using AI prompts, chatgpt prompts, and you'll see why I'm mentioning $7,000 site and how you can actually do this with a number of sites. So this is a really good method if you want to virtually guarantee yourself success with affiliate sites, and I'll show you the reason for that as well. So I've got a really good one. You want to watch all of this. I'm going to make it short, a short video, because I want you to watch it. I want you to get the main information, and I want you to use this and let me know how you get on, because it will work really well, and you'll see why. Really simple, but as with the most valuable things, it is a great method. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. If you're interested in building AI income streams, affiliate sites, using AI with your business, with affiliate marketing, do subscribe, because you'll like what I've got coming up. I've got some long form guides and so on. And if you want to get started with affiliate sites but you're like, I've no idea how to actually build them, do check out the link in the description. It's called Your Freedom Ticket. The link will send you here, and you get complete training, 6 niches and 20 pieces of content for each niche to get you going really fast. So if you just want to build sites the right way that will actually rank in 2024, the link's below. There's a video on the page that will explain everything that you get. Do check it out and do join us. I think you'll really get a lot from it, and you'll definitely be able to get set up really quickly and start making money in the quickest time with niche sites. Okay, so let's get on with the good stuff. Here we go. So how can you reverse engineer a $7,000 site really quickly and make sure that you've got the best chance of success? The quickest way is to go to Flippa and look at sites that have sold. Very simple, but it's obvious why. What it tells us is exactly what the sites are like, what niche they're in, what content's on there, and we're also able to see earnings, revenue, and any attachments that they've put in with the actual listing, showing all of this stuff. Google Analytics, we're able to see where the traffic's coming from, and so on. So you can see everything that you need to about the site. Okay, so main thing that you want to look for is you want to look for a site that is sold, a site that's sold for good money, ideally a site that's newer. This one is 5 years old, but I want to give you an example. And you also want to make sure that it's ranking via organic search. But then once we've done that, we can then go through to the site and we can see how the site's set up. But what I'm going to show you is how you can quickly find out how to get started. Let's say, so we've got this site here, we know it's sold for $6,800. We don't want to copy. How do you actually get a site up and out there that has the best chance of success based on this one? I'm going to give you some AI prompts to get you started, some really good ones. So here we go. Let's go through to AI, bearing in mind this Flippa listing. Check this out. Okay, so I'm over at ChatGPT, and you'll want to use a prompt like this. You can edit it, but here we go. I found an Amazon affiliate site on Flippa that I want to model. Here is the URL, so I'm putting the Flippa URL there. Help me by analysing the best performing content, suggesting keywords that will give me the quickest traction in terms of ranking and affiliate conversions, providing a menu structure based on the site's content and a domain name suggestion, and giving me a 7-day action plan to get started building a similar affiliate site. This is important as well. Note, I want my site to be unique and not a copy, but use the above for ideas and ranking strategy. Please structure the response with steps and details for each part. And you can see that ChatGPT has gone and given me some advice. Analyze the best performing content on the site. From the Flippa listing, this will likely include high performing content related to horseback riding and horse care. Here's a breakdown of content types: reviews, horse care guides, beginner guides, horseback riding, techniques, and it also mentioned a YouTube channel in the Flippa listing, so it's added that in. It's also given me some keyword suggestions for quick traction, horse care equipment, beginner horseback riding, excuse me, horse health and care, riding techniques, and then it's given me a suggested menu structure as well: home, horse care, riding gear, riding tips, product reviews, and blog. And then that YouTube channel, which we won't really use, but it's just suggested it in there. Domain name suggestions for the site, and then a 7-day action plan: research and planning, keyword research and SEO strategy, site setup, content creation, product reviews, on-page SEO, and again YouTube, which you won't use. Okay, so once you've got that, that's very, very general. What you want to do then, this is where the magic begins, is we can take that, and I've got another prompt here. Here's the direct site link. So what I'm doing now with this prompt is giving ChatGPT the direct site link. Based on your suggestion below, this was a suggestion right at the top here: analyze the best performing content on the site. So I've copied that suggestion and I've put it back to ChatGPT, and I've said, based on your suggestion below, here's a breakdown of the content. What would be the best place to start content wise for quickest rankings? And it's giving me more of an in-depth guide here. So it's giving me, okay, for quick rankings, it's best to start with content that targets low competition, high intent keywords and buyer-centric queries. Product reviews: best saddles for beginner riders, top rated grooming kits for horses, affordable helmets, beginner's guides, beginner guide to horseback, and so on. So it's going into the actual areas that it thinks will be good to replicate. The other way that you can do this without AI is run the site through a good SEO tool and have a look at the most visited pages on the site. That's a bit more advanced, or you'll need a tool to do that, but that's another way that you could do it. You can see here it's also suggesting starting a content plan for quick ranking. Write 2 to 3 product reviews first, follow up with 1 to 2 beginners guides and interlink, and then add 1 horse care guide. So it's giving me suggestions here. Then what I did with my prompt, another prompt here, is looking at the site. Do not copy, but give me a review template I can use that will allow me to create content and make it high quality for my site. So here's a review template: product name review, introduction, key features, who's the product for, performance and usability, pros and cons, comparison to competitors, user reviews, price and value for money, final verdict, additional resources, and then tips for optimizing. And what you want to do now is, from that template you can create unique content, and the other thing that you can do is any of these main sections it gave me, so analyze the best performing content on the site, keyword suggestions, you can ask for more help with these sections. So I'll just show you live here. I can copy that and I can go and put a prompt in, something like this: you suggested the following keyword clusters, and I can copy and paste that suggestion, and here's the prompt: help me pick keywords to start with for product reviews and best keywords that will rank quickly, that also have good search volume. Okay, something like that. You'll want to polish it. This is just live on video, but something like that. You want to take the suggestions and then ask for more clarification. And check this out. So now, best keywords for product reviews, best horse grooming kits, durable riding helmets under $100, high quality saddles for beginner riders, affordable horse blankets for cold weather, and then you've got, these are different sections all in one. So you could do riding helmets, different features that you have with riding helmets, how to start horseback riding for beginners, beginner's guide to horse tack setup. So these are like the guides here. Best keywords with high quick ranking with high search volume, and then optimal starting keywords for product reviews and quick rankings, and so on. So what we've done here is we've had a look at a site on Flippa that we know has sold. We know that it's had 1,400 views, and we know that it's got 88 watches, and we know that it's sold. We also can see the site structure, and we can see everything about the site, and we're using AI to be able to get an affiliate site strategy. Ideally, what you'll want to do with this video is then take these keywords and run them through a keyword tool to check the search volumes and check the competition. But that's a way that you can reverse engineer a $7,000 site and quickly get a site up there to start getting traction and build your own site that, if you want to flip, you already know that people are interested in a site of this nature. So I hope that's given you a good guide. Remember to use the initial suggestions and just ask for more clarification. Same with the menu structure. Give me the exact menu structure and more information, and you can get that information down so it's easier to get set up. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe if you did. I'd really appreciate you to join us. Do give me a thumbs up and join us in your freedom ticket. It's in the description if you want the training to build these sites and get going faster, because you've got 6 niches and all the content you need as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.